I have ordered for a Rico fan which is battery operated as well as electricity operated. It is a 2-in-1 fan with inbuilt battery, and we can use it even when there is power failure in our house. So look at my new fan. It is looking so wonderful. So this has an inbuilt lithium-ion 6-volt battery. This is very portable and light. Just take a look. See, we can hold it very easily and keep it in different rooms. Wherever we want to carry it, we can carry it, and in the kitchen, in the living room. So this is very compact. Just look at its size. It's so small, you know. See, look at this. It's so small. It is very compact, and it has horizontal oscillation. The oscillation is over here. You have to turn the knob like this and like this. See, this is how the oscillation happens. Look at how the fan is oscillating. And we can lock it also. We can lock the oscillation too. So we can tilt the neck of the fan in 3 levels. This has an overcharge and fast discharge protection mechanism. So this lasts very long and does not get spoiled easily. It will not get spoiled easily because of this factor about this. It has an energy efficient DC motor copper winding inside this inbuilt. The motor life of this is up to 15,000 hours. It has 2 speed settings, one low and one high. You can see this. These are the 2 speed settings. We can connect it to our electric supply. This is AC. That means through electricity we can on this fan, and this is the power cable which we have, the cable over here. So through this we can connect it directly to our electricity, and we can start the fan. And DC means we have to see, we can put it on DC, and this is the battery operated one. So if there is no electricity in your house, you can even operate it on DC, and that will be battery operated, but you have to keep it charged. Remember that. So performance wise, if we keep it in low speed, it will go on for around 3 to 4 hours. But if we keep it in high speed, it will last only for 2.5 hours. So long lasting is of course low speed. The battery charge of this fan is very long lasting because we can charge it 300 times. So that's why I bought it, because I like this, you know, 300 times we can keep on charging it. So it is a long lasting fan and we can use it for a very long time. So this power cable which I was talking about, we can wind it up like this and we can keep it safe always inside, so that if you're traveling with this fan, the power cable will always be safe inside, and we can shut it down like this. But remember this, before the first use, we have to always charge it for 24 hours. Only then we can use it. So first time usage, you cannot just start using it as soon as you open the box. You have to charge it for 24 hours, and after that you can start using it. So if there are regular power failures in your area, or if you cannot stay for a long time without, you know, electricity, and suppose if you are going out, like you're traveling a lot, you go for campings and all a lot, this is an ideal fan. So I think this will be really useful for me, because I even travel a lot. I love to go for camping and all. So this fan will be really useful for me. So this Rico 2-in-1 fan is really going to be my partner for a very long time. Even you go and buy it and use it, and let me know in your comments whether you liked it or not. This video is not sponsored. I have bought it with my own money. I am not endorsing it. So this is a good buy. I feel that. today I want to give y'all a very good tip for dry skin. So many people have dry skin. First of all, the reason is because they don't drink enough water. So drinking enough water helps all your cells to be moisturized and gives a good glow, a good a hydrated feeling to your skin, and the skin always remains really healthy and wrinkle free. The second thing is you should eat less sugar. So sugar actually dries up a lot of water while digestion, and it makes the skin look very dry. So always have a limited amount of sugar intake for yourself, and drinking a lot of fruit juices without sugar and drinking a lot of water is always advisable. And the second thing you should be doing is skincare with home things which are readily available at home. Like for example, this cucumber, I've taken a slice of this cucumber, and this we should apply to our skin. Should keep it in the refrigerator for some time. It becomes really cold, so this we should apply on the skin regularly, especially your under eyes, the this part of your cheeks, and this area is mostly dry. This nose area is also very dry, and the forehead part is very essential, as well as your upper lids and your under eye. So this keeps the skin really hydrated all the time and helps you to keep your skin really fresh looking and reduces the dryness. So even you can make a pulp from the cucumber, and you can apply it all over your face. You can even apply on your hands and your neck area, and keep it for 10 minutes and rinse it off. So if you don't have time, you can just take a slice and rub it all over your face and rinse it off. So either ways, but you should do it. It's very essential, especially if you having dry skin, because dry skin directly leads to wrinkles. So next thing after dry skin would be, you'll be having a wrinkled skin. So it's always better to take care of all these things before all these irreparable things happen. So once it happens, then it will take a longer time for it to repair. So when you see the first signs of dryness on your skin, it's time for you to start doing these home remedies. And see, the products which are available in the market to have these vegetables and the fruits included in their products, but along with a lot of harsh chemicals. So that actually gives you instant good looks, but it doesn't the effects don't remain for a very long time. But if you do all these home remedies at least twice a week, then your skin will remain really healthy and it will look very glowing and beautiful for a very long time. And these products are easily available in your house, in your fridge. So just have to remove it from there and apply it on your skin, and immediately your face will start glowing, as well as it will retain back the moisture in your skin and it will look really hydrated once again. Keep toning your skin, apply moisturizer. The next thing is, the next home remedy which I would recommend is mix a little bit of baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda with rose water, and apply it all over your skin. So all the patches, some people have this dry patches on their skin, so all the patches also will disappear. So in certain areas the skin looks really oily, in certain areas it looks dry, so that is called patchy skin. So for this kind of skin, what you have to do is you have to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda with rose water, and you have to apply all over your skin and leave this much part open. This part you should apply it over your eyebrows till your under eye and till your neck. So keep this for 10 minutes and rinse it off with normal tap water. And the next thing which you can apply is curds. So curds and milk also is really good for this dry patchy skin. So if you take cold milk from the refrigerator and just apply it with a brush or with a piece of cotton, just apply it all over your skin, leave it off for 10 minutes and wash it off with tap water. This will really make your skin look bright and retain all the moisture in your skin and make your skin look really fresh. Doesn't matter what the color of your skin is. Your skin can be of any color. The most important thing is you have to keep it healthy. So healthy skin is a beautiful skin. The color doesn't matter, believe me. So you have to keep your skin hydrated, keep it wrinkle free, keep it healthy, so that it's free from even diseases like psoriasis, eczema and all these, So you should take care of your skin. And the facial skin is different from the body skin. It's more sensitive, more delicate. So yes, you have to keep your skin healthy, your face skin, and you shouldn't be touching it again and again with your dirty hands. Always see to it that your hands are either sanitized before touching your facial skin, because the reason for pimples is also because of dirty hands. So do all these, take care of your skin and keep it fresh and beautiful and remain younger for a very, very long time. If you take care, then surely you will really retain your youth for a very, very long time. That is my guarantee. Take care.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.